Hey guys, it's Guy here. What's up? So are you looking for getting better audio quality for your YouTube videos? I know, I was there as well. So you came to the right place today because we are going to be looking at the MOVO VXR10 Pro, and I know that's going to get better audio for you on your YouTube videos. So let's get started. The MOVO VXR10 Pro, it's a super cardioid shotgun mic, and it is designed to only capture audio from one direction. It is made to be mounted on top of a camera or even a smartphone and just aimed to your source of audio. It has a line out to connect to cameras and smartphones, and it also has a headphone jack where you can monitor the audio coming out of it. So let's check it out what it is inside the box. You get your MOVO VXR10 Pro, you get the furry windscreen, the TRS cable, the TRRS cable, the Rycott Halire shotgun mic, and you get a hard shell case, which is amazing for the price. So the MOVO VXR10 Pro, it's very simple to use, and it can be used for most of the cameras, DSLRs, and even smartphones and actual cameras such as the GoPro. The design is amazing, it's very simple, and it's battery free. So you don't need to be carrying out any batteries to be using the microphone. I'm very excited now. Let's try vlogging. I wanted to see how this microphone sounds like outside. So let's go. Before you get started to go outside, I just want to remind you, if you're liking this video and you want to see more content like that, just leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. This will leave me a message where you wanted to see more content like that. Hey guys, so this is me testing in my studio. No sound improve or anything here. It's just regular walls, just a carpet here, and nothing else. So here, this is my studio, how it sounds like with the MOVO VXR10 Pro. And let's see how this sounds like outside when it's windy. Let's go. And this is a test of how this sounds like with your built-in microphone from your smartphone. I'm using the S22 Ultra, and this is how it sounds like. It has a lot of small wind, some birds chirping away, and all the good stuff. So let's see how that sounds like comparing to the MOVO VXR10 Pro. And now you're hearing me with the MOVO VXR10 Pro. I think it sounds very clear. I'm about arm's length distance from the MOVO, and how it sounds like, is it getting a lot of round noise, or it's really focusing on my voice? So I think it does a great job just by getting around and vlogging style. You can see here the wind is not picking it up, but it has some wind going on, and I'm using the regular muffler in the microphone. Now it doesn't have anything, it should be picking up a lot of wind, and let's hear how it sounds. My overall thoughts on the MOVO VXR10 Pro, it's simply an amazing addition to your setup when you're filming videos, and it's lightweight, it's amazing plug and play with no battery. So that is an amazing feature. The sound quality is amazing. As you can see, I've been shooting this video with the MOVO VX10 Pro the whole time, and it is amazing, the sound quality. And in my studio, I don't have any soundproofing, just a small rug, and it sounds amazing. And to remind, this one is very affordable, so I know it doesn't break the bank if you want to get started into getting better audio for your videos. And this is how I am getting better and starting to get better with my videos as well. I highly recommend you to get one. I'll leave the link in the description below. It is an affiliate link from Amazon, but if you buy something, I really appreciate that. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.